Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to share with you this unboxing video. I just got my package from Craftelier and I would love to see what's inside. I have already opened it because I couldn't wait to see all these goodies. So I'm going to share all this stuff right now. So here we have Mintay papers, the Traveler 6x8. I really love this collection because it's really so vintage, and I think I will make a mini album. So this is the 6x8 pack. I have the 12x12. So here is 12x12. Oh my god, this is really beautiful. Yes, and it has also same papers again. And with this one I have purchased these die cuts. These are 27 paper elements. This package has so many beauties inside. 6 envelopes, 8 round tags, 7 regular tags, 6 tickets, and here are 60 paper die cuts. Wow, this is really beautiful. So let's move on to the next. So here I have double-sided foam tape for my card making videos. So you can also check my Instagram and see that each day I am uploading a new reel, and mostly card making reels. So if you are interested, you will find down below in the description area all these products that I purchased from Craftelier, linked down below the description area, as well as my Instagram account. So next one, let me grab this one. Oh my god, this is really so beautiful, I think. Yes, here is the other one, Winged Melodies by Mintay again. And I have purchased the 8x8 paper pad as well as the 6x8. So let's see. The paper collection is absolutely romantic. The birds and flowers are stunning. They're really gorgeous. I can't wait to create with these beautiful paper pads. And this one, 6x8, beautiful backgrounds and a lot of elements to cut out. Yes, it's really beautiful. I also purchased these 60 paper die cuts. I think I have also purchased another pack of die cuts. Let me find it. It's inside. Oh yes, I forgot to show you this, the classic lollipop by Craftelier. Also, yes, I purchased the 27 paper elements. So let's move on the next one. I purchased this adhesive roller refill for this tape runner I have from Craftelier. These are refills. Got this by Craft Consortium, 10 sheets mirror cards in rose gold, I think, yes, in rose gold, for card making, and for mini albums as well. I forgot here that with the previous one, but with the previous paper pad, these are also stickers, words and elements as well, really beautiful. Here are some brass and frame turned buttons. These are for my mini albums. I would like to use them as a closure on the flaps. I'm gonna use them on the next tutorials. These are the magnetic snaps. These are also for mini album closures for the cover, maybe with a strip. I'm gonna make a closure with a strip and use them as a closure. I'm gonna see how I'm going to use them. Next one is these eyelets. This is the wide ones. Usually with my Craftelier I'm using the classic one eyelets, but now I would love to check them and see how I'm gonna be making several projects using these eyelets instead of the classic ones. So next one is this elastic cord in a pink color. Also I purchased them for my mini albums. So here I have album rings in a white color. I think I have pink also, I don't remember. Maybe I'll see, I'll check it out. Yes, I have no pink, I have yellow, and I found the other one, a flat elastic band. So here I purchased these two album rings in a small size. Each package has 6 pieces and they are 30 millimeters. Okay, and this is the flat elastic band. Also, this is perfect for mini albums as well. So here I purchased this paper pad by Stamperia. Okay, so here is the scrapbooking paper pad. This is the maxi pad with 22 single-faced sheets, and these are thick die cuts, as well as these one are ephemera ones with a lot of romantic pieces. These are adhesive paper cutouts. I also purchased the 6x6 mega pad, the Secret Garden by Cartabella. So let me find the cutting knife to open this. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh my god, oh so beautiful. Oh, these are so cute. Look at these flowers. Okay, maybe I'm going for a 6x6 mini album. I will think about it. Next one is this by Wear Memory Keepers. This is our embossing stylus. I purchased them for the embossing mainly, just because I don't like very much to use this type of embossing when in the scoring board. So I purchased these ones, which I think that it's gonna be very good and much better than the previous one, than the classic ones. I also got these ball chains. These are 5 pieces for the spine of mini albums. I also got this cardstock these are 12 by 12 inches. This has 25 sheets. It's in ivory color, and it's 250 GSM weight. I thought that maybe I'm gonna use them as the pages for my mini albums and cut them in a way to form a basic page on my album, and these are perfect also to make the base for a greeting card. So next one is this paper collection. Let me show you how vintage this collection is. I really love the backgrounds here. They are not so girly, they are not so pinks, but at the same time are really beautiful. I think I'm gonna make one. I think I'm gonna make mini album, a big mini album for our family to store there our pictures, and there are a lot of them. This is a really beautiful collection. I also got these titles and phrases, as well as frames and tags and ephemera. And I also got the 6x6 paper pad, which has 48 double-sided papers. This vintage look is absolutely amazing. I really love each and every page. Although I prefer pink colors, this is an adorable paper collection. I also got this pack that has coordinating solids, and it has 6 12 by 12 double-sided papers, 6 colors, so really beautiful. I also got these stickers. I love them by Echo Park, are really so sturdy stickers. I really love them. So next one is this collection by Echo Park again. This is the special delivery baby. This is also a paper collection that has a vintage look on it, which I think I really love it. Next one is this paper collection by Echo Park again. Here is the baby on board. It's a girl, and I purchased the 24 double-sided papers this time, the 6 by 6. Okay, let me open it again. These are perfect for baby mini albums. Okay, so let's see the paper collection. It's absolutely amazing and cute and beautiful. I love this. It has no pinks, but peach colors mostly, and I love this. Yes, this is just perfect. And of course here the coordinating solids paper pack, which has also 6 12 by 12 double-sided papers in these 6 colors. Okay, I purchased also the yes, this was with this sticker. These element stickers go with this one paper pad by Cartabella, and this one is the last one sticker sheet that goes with this collection. Everything is linked down below the description area. You will find them, so you will have the chance to purchase anything you want. Also with this one I purchased the titles and phrases as well. And we move on to the last paper collection. This is the last paper collection. This is by Stamperia, the Master of Magic, the maxi pad with 22 single-faced sheets. This is I don't know what I'm going to make with this. Probably a mini album, or I'm going to use them, to use all these things. These are paper cutouts. Maybe I'm going to use them for my card making or a mini album. So then I don't know. These are sequins for my shaker cards. And here we have 2 tacky glue sticks. And here is the block liquid glue. It's a quick drying and it dries clear. Maybe I'll check this one, how it works. And of course here the washi tape by Craftelier, which is absolutely so lovely. Let me open it. Okay, here. This is really so adorable. Let me show you how many bits and pieces of scrapbooking it has on it. Really beautiful. I love it so much. So I'm going to work with one of the let me show you. Wait a minute. This is the one from Mintay paper pad, and this is the other one. So down in the comment area, please, I would love to tell me with which paper pad would you like to see a mini album, with the winged melodies or the traveler. So thank you so much for joining me today. See you next time. Bye.